Hi guys, like I had promised you last time, this is a fashion haul with all the stuff that I got from Europe and Dubai and all that stuff. So if you want to know all the things that I got, please keep watching. First up, I got this awesome studded distressed denim. This was at a marketplace right outside PRIMARK, and I love the detailing on this, and it's actually very high quality. Like the studs on this are not stuck on, they're actually sewn in, and I feel that they add a very cool edgy vibe. Also, like I have paired it here, the denim on denim trend is very in these days, so I feel like this would be a good addition for that too. Next up, we have this basic black crop top with these white pants. I got this black crop top from H&M in Dubai and these white pants from a place called Joanna in Dragon Mart. Oh my goodness, the black top is very, very high quality and is very comfortable, and these white pants are everything that mama ever dreamed of. Also, I've been searching for a nice pair of high-waisted white pants for the longest time, and when I saw these, I knew I needed them in my life. I love these so much that I also got the same pants in navy color because they fit me so well, and I am a big sucker for pants that fit me like this. If something fits my bum like this, I want hundreds of the same thing, so I had to get it.
Stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle. I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side open up to get to you.
Next up, we have this really cute powder pink hoodie. I got this from like a supermarket store in Netherlands only for €5. I don't know how I got this for €5, but seriously, this is so nice and comfy. It kept me warm throughout my trip. I got a ton of use of this. This purchase gets an A+ from me.
To get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. Look for love in every stranger, took too much to ease the anger. All for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you.
Next up, we have what I think is the sexiest outfit that I've put together. This is this bodysuit that I got from ZARA in Europe, and these pants which are from H&M here in Dubai. I love the bodysuit because it's got an open back, and these pants fit me like a dream.
A heavy truth, water or wine, don't make me choose.
Funny story, I actually found these in the H&M section, which is actually the kids section, and I was so shocked that these fit me, but I'm glad that they did. And to complete this outfit, I wore this belt which I got from Dragon Mart again here in Dubai. I got it for about say 50 dirhams or so, but this belt is everything. I know it's a little extra, it's not everyone's taste. It's definitely a little bougie, but when I saw it, I just needed it in my life, so I got it. Next up, we have this blue ribbed bodycon dress with the crisscross detailing in the neck. This is a no-brainer. The days where you don't want to think too much about what you want to wear, you can just wear this and look sophisticated and nice. I feel that you can take this from day to night very easily, and I'm a major sucker for bodycon dresses. I love bodycon dresses because I don't have to think too much when I'm kind of styling them. So, and also this color is something that I do not have in my collection, if I may say so. So that's why I wanted to get this.
Following, break down these walls and come on in.
Next up we have the classic LBD little brag dress. This is a black dress with the ribbed things are very much in trend these days, and the rivets on the sides of the hands and the sides of the dress. Also, I feel because of the ribs, it makes me look really lean and tall. I'm already pretty tall, but it makes me really lean looking, and because it's black, it's already slimming. So I love this. I wore it for New Year's this year, and again, a bodycon dress is just throw it on, don't worry about it, go out of the town and paint the town red. That's what I like about it. Next up we have this gorgeous one piece that I got from Primark. I freaking love the metallic details on this one, and I've been obsessed with one pieces also because they hide the areas that mama is kind of not feeling happy about here in the summer. And I feel I can just wear a ponytail and these black sunglasses, which I also got from Primark by the way, and feel like Lady Gaga and like super cool at the pool or at the beach and be like, bitches, I have arrived.
There's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water or wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night.
Next up we have what I would like to call the showstopper. This is a swimsuit that I got from ZARA in Netherlands. I freaking love the high cut of this one piece. Like I told you, I'm obsessed with one pieces lately. And the detailing on this, the material of this, the quality of this is so on point and so amazing that I think I can wear this all summer. And I also posted this on my Instagram a while back, and you guys seem to love it. So yeah, I think our taste match, and this definitely deserves a triple thumbs up in my eyes.
To get to you, I'll get to you.
So yes, those are all the things that I got. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and like I always say, keep it bossy.
Blindly I